Need professional narration for a video, presentation, audiobook, course, or podcast? ElevenLabs makes it easy to create realistic AI narration without using a microphone or recording studio. In this guide, I'll show you how to create narration with ElevenLabs in 2026. First, write or finalize the script you want to narrate. Make sure your text is clear, well-structured, and easy to read. A good script leads to more natural-sounding narration. Next, open ElevenLabs and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, navigate to the text-to-speech section. Copy your narration script and paste it into the text editor. Use proper punctuation and paragraph breaks because they help the AI create more natural pauses and pacing. Select a voice that fits your project. For example, educational content may benefit from a calm and clear voice, while storytelling projects may work better with a more expressive narrator. Testing a few voices can help you find the right match. If needed, customize settings such as stability, speed, style, or similarity. Small adjustments can improve the overall flow and realism of your narration. Click Generate and wait for ElevenLabs to create the narration. Listen carefully to the result and check for pronunciation issues, pacing problems, or sections that need improvement. Once you're satisfied with the narration, download the audio file and use it in your video editor, presentation software, podcast workflow, or other project. And that's how to create narration with ElevenLabs. With realistic AI voices and customizable settings, you can produce professional narration quickly and efficiently. So experiment with different voices and fine-tune the settings until the narration sounds exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching.